Okay, this is a important topic, and we will see the programs. Okay, one by one we will see. So the first program is how to increment an 8-bit number. Okay, how to increment an 8-bit number. Okay, these are the two instructions. In the first instruction, what I did is I'm moving 05. This is a 8-bit data into AL. So AL means it is a 8-bit accumulator lower byte register. Okay, so move AL comma 05. So 05 means, so this will be how to write in binary is 0000, then 5. 5 means 0101. Okay, now what is the value of AL is 05. So next step, I'm incrementing the AL value. Okay, so this is a arithmetic instruction. Okay, so arithmetic instruction. So this AL, what is the purpose of this AL? Incrementing AL is this will increment the AL value by 1. For example, here 05. Already AL value is 05. Now I am going to add 1. So 1 means what value I will get is 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1, then 1, 0, then 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now what is the value of AL is? AL value now is it is 06. Okay, this is how we can increment an 8-bit number. Okay, how to increment an 8-bit number is, first step is I am using the data transfer instruction. This is actually it is an immediate addressing mode, and the constant value, the 05, it is moved into AL in first instruction. In second instruction, I am incrementing the AL value by 1. So already my AL value is 5, and I am incrementing the AL value by 1. So now the AL value is 6. Okay, this is how we can increment an 8-bit number. Similarly, the second program is about how to increment an 16-bit number. So how to increment an 16-bit number is here instead of using AL, here I am using AX. AX means it is a 16-bit accumulator register. So we can, if we want to use 16-bit, we can use AX. If we want to use 8-bit means it will be divided into two parts. One is AL and other one AH. Either you can go for AL or you can go for AH. AL means it is a lower byte register, lower byte accumulator register, and AH means it is a higher byte accumulator register. And this is 16-bit. So here I am moving the 16-bit data into AX. So this will be moved into AX. So again, it is actually 0005. Now it will be converted into binary. So binary means again it is 0000, and this one again 0000, and this is again 0000, and 5 means 0101. Okay, so now I'm going to increment. In the second instruction, increment INC-AX. So now this increments the AX value by 1. Now I'm going to add 1 with the AX. Now what is the value I'm getting is 0110. Now what is the value of AX is 0006. 0006. This is how we can increment a 16-bit number. And next example, it is about how to decrement a 8-bit number and a 16-bit number. Okay, same as in increment. So instead of increment instruction, here we are using decrement. Okay, the first step is similar. First one, move AL comma 05. This will move an 8-bit data into AL. Second instruction is decrement AL. So now this will subtract the AL value by 1. Okay. So now as it is in the previous example, so 05 means 0000 and 0101. This is actually 05. Now what we did is we are decrementing the AL value by 1. So 1 means now we are subtracting. So previously we add and now we are subtracting. 1 minus 1, 0. Now again This is 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now what is the value of AL is? It is 0, 4. Okay, remember here this is actually two address. We have two operands. First one is a mnemonic. So what is the mnemonic I have used here is move followed by two operands AL and 0, 5. But in second instruction I have only one operand. So that is a destination operand. So AL, decrement AL. So this will decrement the AL value by 1. Similarly, second program, this one is decrementing a 16-bit number. Okay, so again the same, similar to the previous example. Here instead of AL, this is decrementing an 8-bit number. So I have used AL, but this one I am decrementing a 16-bit number. So this is AX. So AX, what is the value of AX is 0005. Now I am decrementing the AX value by 1. Again 0000, then 0000, again 0000, 5 means 0101. Now I am decrementing the AX value by 1. So you will get the same answer. So 0, 1, 0, 0, these all are zeros. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, and here again 0, 0, 0, 0, and this is again 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now what is the value of AX values? It is 0, 0, 0, 4. This is how we can decrement an 8-bit number and 16-bit number. And next one, how to take an ones complement of an 8-bit number. Okay, what is ones complement means? It is simply a negation. Suppose if it is 0 means it is 1 and 1 means it is 0. So here we are using the bit manipulation instruction. Okay, first one it is a data transfer instruction and the second instruction is a bit manipulation instruction. So we have bit manipulation, we have AND, OR, NOT and XOR. So here what is our program is? Our program is we want to take the ones complement of an 8-bit number. So the first one same, move AL, 05. This will move an 8-bit data AL, 8-bit data 05 into AL. Okay, so now what is the AL value? 00000101. This is AL value. Now we are going to perform the NOT operation. So NOT operation means it's simply a negation. So 0 means 1, 1 means 0. Here it is 0. Now it is we are taking the NOT operation. So 1, 1, 1, 1. Then this 0 means it is 1. This 1 will be converted into 0. 0 means it is 1 and 1 means it is 0. Now this is a NOT operation. So what is this value is actually? It is actually 15. So 15 we can write it as F and this is 10. So 10 means it is A. So now what is the value of AL is? AL value is FA. This is actually hexadecimal representation. So actually it is 15. So 15 when we write in hexadecimal format it is F and it is 10. So 10 means it is A. Okay, so this is actually ones complement of an 8-bit number. So my AL value is 05. After taking the ones complement, what is the value of AL is? Now my AL value is FA. Similarly, I will do the ones complement of a 16-bit number. Again, it is similar to the previous example. Instead of AL, here I am using AX. Same value I am moving 5. Instead of 05, here it is a 16-bit number. So it is 0005. That will be moved into AX. Now I am taking the complement of AX. So now it is all are zeros. 0, 0, 0. Again 0, 0, 0. Again 0, 0, 0, 0. And 5 means it is 0, 1, 0, 1. Now we are taking the NOT. So NOT means 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Again 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is actually F. Again F, F, A. That is the ones complement of 5 is, that is 0005 is FF, FA.